You go to the gas station, and somehow that helps the US dollar stay powerful. Look, imagine you own a lemonade stand, but here's the rule. Everybody in town must use your tokens to buy lemonade. So now everyone wants your tokens. That's basically the petrodollar system. After the 1970s, countries agreed to sell oil mostly in US dollars. So if Japan, India, or Germany wanted oil, they needed dollars first. Here's what most people don't realize. The world uses around 100 million barrels of oil every single day. That means countries constantly need trillions of dollars moving around the global system just to buy energy. And this is where it gets really interesting, because the more the world needs dollars, the stronger the dollar becomes. Now you might be thinking, okay, but why does this matter to me? Simple. A stronger dollar helps America borrow money cheaper, keeps demand for US assets high, and gives the US huge global influence. This is also why America cares so much about oil markets and global trade. But psychologically, most people think money has value because paper is valuable. No, money has value because people agree it does. And oil became one of the biggest reasons the world agreed to trust the dollar. That's the petrodollar,